Custard. I'm gonna use this steamer to making Thai custard. We use this a lot in Thailand and Chinese, but if you don't have it, you can make in microwave also, but it's a little different. The Thai custard is only 3 ingredients, which is egg, sugar, and coconut milk. The combination of 3 things, I make it easy for you to remember. Whatever you make, egg, just like a cup, you can use sugar a cup, you can use coconut milk 1 cup, the same amount. I just add 3 ingredients together in 1 container and mix well. Stop. I stir together, mix together. After we blend 3 ingredients together, I'm gonna strain it to another container which is steamable. The reason I put in the strainer because some particle is big, so I want to blend together very well. So the rest you can throw it away. I put water on the steamer for the bottom part, and the top part has slotted. So I will put this mixture in the steamer and let it steam for about 25 minutes or more. You can check it out like you check the cake. This is important to leave it closed all the time for 25 to half an hour. And after half an hour you can open it, but before, don't take a peek. While we are waiting for the custard to be cooked, I'm gonna make sticky rice. This is 2 cups of sticky rice soaked in water, and after we soak in water, it's gonna become like this. It's kind of expanded a little bit, and then I will pour the water out. After you pour some of the water away, the leftover water supposed to be in here. You can see the water, but the level of water is supposed to be a little lower than the level of rice. This is very important. Okay, my rice is ready to cook, and I will cover it with a plate, and I will cook in high power microwave for 5 minutes. After I cook for 5 minutes, it's gonna look like this, but it's not done yet. Just stir it. It's not cooked yet. Just stir it and cover and microwave for another 4 minutes. Altogether it's 9 minutes. And this stage, you don't leave it too long, otherwise it won't be cooked. So it's this very important. After 5 minutes, you take it out and stir it right away and put it back in microwave for 4 minutes more. I have dry butterfly pea in my hand, which is from my garden. I put it in the shade and let it dry to save color. I want to add anthocyanin in my sticky rice and plus the color. This is how it looks when it's soaked in water. This is the color that we're gonna have in my sticky rice. Now I'm gonna continue with my sticky rice dessert. After we put sticky rice in microwave, first time 5 minutes, and then stir, and then another 4 minutes stir. It's become like this. This is the ingredient for sticky rice as a dessert. I will add half can of coconut milk. This, I recommend this brand. I use half can or 1.5 cup of coconut milk from can. Sugar, 1 cup of sugar. 3/4 of tablespoon of salt, and butterfly pea extract in my sticky rice. I'm adding my sugar, salt, and coconut milk. And then butterfly pea extract to add more color and medicinal benefit. Sorry. And stir. Make sure you stir thoroughly. Don't leave it in clump because it's gonna be hard. In Thailand, just me. You can adjust the color by putting more extract or some food color that you like. If you cannot find butterfly peas. After the color is good for your desire, and then you just cover and leave it for 15 minutes. This is the right consistency when the sticky rice is done. It's not flowy, it stays like that. Now the Thai custard is supposed to be done. You can check it out by using spoon to check it. If there's nothing come out clear like this, it's done. So we're gonna put this over the sticky rice to eat like sticky rice with Thai custard, which is a traditional Thai dessert for a long time. This is how we served sticky rice with Thai custard. If we leave for a while, it will be firmer than this. We scrap it in a thin piece, thin layer, and put over sticky rice like that. Right, exactly.